Hey Huskies, it's Mr. Finley, the principal. So excited to welcome you guys back in the building on Monday. So get lots of rest this weekend, fill up that water bottle, pack your mask. Let's have a great start to the school year. We got lots of people here today, virtually going to open our building to you. Have a great day.
Hi kindergarten friends, I'm Mrs. Pickup. I hope you had a great summer and I'm so excited to start the school year with you. Our school motto is work hard, play hard, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be learning a lot and we're going to be having a lot of fun. I can't wait to meet you all on Monday. When you come to school on Monday, I'll be wearing a gray mask just like this one so that you'll know who to look for. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.
Hi kindergartners, it's Miss Sanders here. I cannot wait to get our school year started and I'm so excited to see you on Monday. I'm going to have my pink mask on so you know who to look for. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hey Huskies, Mrs. Cashin Lincoln here saying welcome back. Can't wait to see you in first grade.
Hi CSA Huskies, it's Mrs. Newton from first grade. Hope you've had a great summer and I can't wait to see you back at school.
Hi Huskies, this is Mrs. Bealey. Welcome back to CSA Lincoln. I can't wait to see you on Monday. We're gonna have a great year.
Hi Huskies, Mrs. Roberts here in second grade. I am so excited that school is starting. I can't wait to see you on Monday. I have missed you so much. Bye.
Hey everyone, I'm Dean Wright, and it's my honor to teach third grade here at CSA Lincoln. I'm really looking forward to seeing my students on Monday, and I know it's going to be an awesome school year. See you all next week.
Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Johnston. I hope that you had an amazing summer. I can't wait to welcome you back on Monday. It's going to be an awesome year in third grade. Enjoy your last few days of summer. Bye!
Hey Huskies, it's Mrs. Helwig, the school nurse here. I can't wait to see everybody. Parents, I know things look a little different this year. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out, phone, email, whatever works best. I know several of you have had questions about medications. They can be dropped off in the front office with Mrs. Garrett if I am not available to come up there to meet you. She has all the paperwork necessary to pass along. Can't wait to see everybody. Thanks.
Hi Huskies, my name is Miss Mann. I'm the new fourth grade teacher and I'm excited to meet all of you.
Hi Huskies, it's Miss Moore from fourth grade. I'm so excited to be back and I can't wait to see you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Shaw. I'm the special education teacher here at CSA Lincoln and I'm really excited to see you guys this year.
Hi Huskies, Miss Garris here. I'm excited to see everybody next week for PE.
Hi, I'm Mrs. George.
And I'm Mrs. Mahoney.
And we are your fifth grade teachers along with Miles here.
And we are so excited to see you next week.
And we have one more person to introduce you to.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hendricks. I'm a student teacher from IUPUC and I'll be spending the first 8 weeks with you all. I can't wait to meet you.
Hey Huskies, Mr. Coney here. I'm hoping you all had a wonderful summer and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in music class this year.
Hello Huskies, my name is Mrs. Burbrink. I'm the UDL facilitator here at Lincoln and I work with teachers and students. I'm also the High Ability Coordinator. I'm looking forward to a great year. Hope you are too.
Hi Huskies, this is Mrs. Selvak. I am your STEM teacher and I'm so excited to show you all the projects I have planned for you. Can't wait to see you. Bye.
Hi Huskies and Husky parents, I'm Mrs. Garrett. I'm collecting all of your open house paperwork and answering any general questions. Can't wait to see you.
Hi Huskies, welcome back. It's Mrs. Thompson. I'm the school counselor. I hope your summer was fun and exciting and I can't wait to start the new year. Bye!
Hey everybody, Mr. Shipley here with
Miss Cook.
And we teach 6th grade. Anything else we have to say?
Can't wait to see you guys.
It's going to be a great year.